It's alright.
Right, baby. Right, baby. You're good, baby. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Baby, oh, gentle, 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 good, good, good. 80 grams. Okay. Alright. With her general plumage and her slightly overgrown top beak, Karen, and all the darkness through her plumage, and the fact that she's got a slightly convex abdomen, slightly distended abdomen, I'm recommending that, well, I think we both recognise that there's something wrong, and we can go through either the traditional investigations, which would maybe start with taking some blood from her and doing a blood profile, and then maybe doing an endoscopy where we have a look at her liver, because I suspect the liver is involved, and then perhaps taking a biopsy, and we could do a beak and feather disease test and a polyomavirus test, and I can see, apart from the risk of some of those procedures, that there's a lot of expense there, and I'm happy to go down that pathway one step at a time or whatever. There is another option which is outside the fields of standard veterinary science, which is to get a quantum evaluation done of her body, and then maybe some quantum adjustments to see if that makes any difference to her well-being. And it's possible using quantum to see if she has any quantum vibrations for polyomavirus, or if she has any of the quantum vibrations for beak and feather virus, or something else, and to measure her general vitality, and then to compare the general vitality of various organs, be it the skin, be it the liver, or whatever, with the general vitality of the body. Using quantum, the general vitality of each of the organs should match the general vitality of the body, and she should have a general vitality probably of 6,000 to 8,000 if she were a healthy bird. I suspect she doesn't have that, and I suspect that if you have a quantum evaluation done, that we will make some findings that may not be within the realms of regular veterinary science, but they are in the realms of health and well-being.
That sounds good.
So what we need to do, if we're going to do that, is to take a photograph of her, preferably not touching either of us, and to send that to my friend in Canada. And from that we can from a photograph we can tune into her and get some useful information, and maybe able to, and that might guide us to where we go to next.
Sounds good. She's had a lot of the other tests last year as well. So
did she? Right. So
beak and feather was clear. And
was polyoma clear?
Don't know.
Right. Okay, but we've already tested the beak and feather.
Yeah, she had beak and feather, and she said we had blood taken.
Right. Okay.